Imagine yourself in this Ford 2012 Explorer Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor, memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings number of drivers, 2, stability control, parking sensors rear, security remote anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display and phone wireless data link Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.